Hi guys, welcome back to Countyline Farming. In today's video, we're combining corn with the John Deere 8820, and on the grain cart is the John Deere 6030. So we're heading up to the mountain, as we call it. Little narrow. I'll show you how narrow it is up here. It's a real humdinger. A bit bad after here if you fell off one of these sides and it's straight down. Oh yeah. I just got back from the field with my second load. We're gonna put it in the bin. We got the soybeans cleaned out this morning, and now we're on the corn. This field should get 3 loads. Okay, so now we're into the third day of combining corn. I didn't film any on the second day. A, I forgot my camera, and B, I wanted to focus on getting a lot done that day, so I didn't want to screw around with the camera. But I have a lot of footage from the third day, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so it's Saturday morning. We just got the first load off the grain cart unloaded. We're getting ready, we're already filling up the second load. We got about 20 acres done yesterday. We got about 20 more to go up here, and we'll knock her out today. We got the John Deere 6030 over there on the grain cart. We're gonna start knocking out this field. What do you say? Let's get to it. So I'm in the field. I catch the combine when it's full, we unload. And then once we have 2 or 3 dumps, usually 2 full dumps, we'll take down, this is what we call the mound because it's quite high up compared to all the land around it, so it's about a good 100 feet above. So we'll take it down the big hill and unload it onto one of the 2 gravity wagons, and then my uncle will be hauling them away and taking them back to the bins. And we have 2 guys hauling the corn out to the elevator this morning, so let's get to it. So once we get this field here done, we got the one right over there, and we'll be done up here, and we're gonna get some nasty weather tomorrow, some pretty good rain, so we'll get done up here. That way we're all ready. Here comes the combine. Let's get to it. And yes, in between those 2 clips, I do fall off the roof of the tractor and land feet first on the ground, but all was good. So by now you're probably thinking, Chet, what in the world are you doing? So we're just gonna see. So I'm fueling up right now because I'm waiting on Dad to get a full load because he had to fuel up. I don't really need it, but give her a little more weight on the front end with the grain cart behind it. So we'll get her all fueled up. We had a minor breakdown about an hour ago. 2 drive belts, or one of them broke, so we had to get that fixed. But we'll be done with this field in about 20 minutes, and we'll get headed to the next one. It's about a little before 2. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we just got done with the big field over there. Now we just started on the field right here. So we'll get it knocked out, and we should get it all done and get packed up and get ready for the storm. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so these fields up here were the first fields planted this spring. Between the 4 of them is a full season corn, and it's only 17.1% average moisture, so it's really good moisture. It's not wet, it's super dry, which is really great because we don't have to get docked at the elevator or have to dry it ourselves. So it's really handy, and it's running pretty decent yields also. Let's get to it. So the reason I'm dumping the corn out of the grain cart into the wagon is because where we're at is not accessible with gravity wagons, so I'm hauling it down to the bottom of the hill, so it's a lot safer. So I'm offloading it into the gravity wagon and making sure I don't spill any, which I didn't.